Hello, this is a video on what's on my phone. My phone is a Pixel 3a, so yeah, let's get started. Here's the home screen. It has my wallpaper, which is Akko Kagri from the Lich Academia, and the applications. It's a pretty basic home screen, so we have the phone, messages, the Play Store, Google Chrome, and camera. So yeah. Here we have all my apps. So yeah, it's a lot, but whatever. I am running Android 10 and on the phone. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.